It seems like no matter where you are in life, there's always a big event coming up. Whether it's a family gathering, holiday, graduation, wedding, job presentation, or first date, you'll want to look your best. Did you know that the first feature that people notice is your smile? If your smile isn't in the best shape, how long does it take to whiten teeth? Whitening teeth and the time it takes to reach that desired shade of white depends on the starting point of your teeth. The better you keep your teeth, the less time and effort you'll spend to reach that perfect shade. Brushing your teeth every day will help keep the plaque and minerals off your teeth that form. These minerals discolor your teeth, making them less receptive to whitening treatments. How long does it take to whiten your teeth depends on how clean the hygiene of your teeth are. You have two different options to whiten your teeth. First, let's look at how long it takes to whiten your teeth with the dentist. You can make an appointment at the dentist to have your teeth professionally whitened. If you are lucky, they may be able to fit you in that week if there's an opening, or it may take a few weeks or months before they can set up an appointment. The dentist will apply safety wax on your gums and then whitening gel to your teeth and turn on a highly powered whitening light. The entire process will take between 1 and 2 hours, and your teeth will be whitened a few shades. This process is slowly fading away as dentists are opting not to invest in whitening equipment as the at-home whitening treatment boom continues. It's extremely expensive to get your teeth whitened at the dentist, and you can expect to pay at least a few $100s. Your other option to whiten teeth are at-home treatments. The number one recommended at-home whitening treatment is whitening trays from Sporting Smiles. Sporting Smiles offers whitening trays that will help erase years of teeth stains. Whether you suffer from tea, coffee, wine, or natural teeth stains, you'll be able to turn back the clock and have a white set of teeth in as little as 2 weeks with whitening trays. These trays are the same ones the dentist can craft you, but for half the cost and no need to visit the dentist. They are custom made and crafted from the impression from your teeth from the Sporting Smiles Impression Kit. Once you receive the custom whitening trays, make a routine to use them. How long does it take to whiten teeth depends on how strict you stick to your routine. Having a daily whitening session of 10 to 15 minutes with whitening trays can severely increase the brightness and erase stains on your teeth within 10 to 14 days. Giving yourself time to prepare for a big event coming up is key. You will save money by avoiding the dentist, and the trays are reusable and nearly indestructible, meaning you can whiten your teeth whenever you want. And if you run out of whitening gel, you may reorder for a fraction of the cost, ensuring that you have a white and bright smile for every occasion with Sporting Smiles. White teeth are obtainable in about 2 weeks depending on your starting point. If you keep good oral hygiene, you may see results sooner. If you want white teeth and custom whitening trays from Sporting Smiles, all you have to do is click the link below.